In the heart of our planet's wilderness lies a delicate balance, where every creature plays a vital role in the intricate tapestry of life. But this delicate balance is under threat as human activities continue to encroach upon their habitats. As forests shrink and ecosystems fragment, the need for traceability in wildlife becomes increasingly crucial. Traceability, the ability to track and monitor the movement of animals, holds the key to understanding and preserving these invaluable ecosystems. Through innovative technologies and dedicated efforts, researchers are now able to trace the movement of wildlife with unprecedented accuracy. From GPS tracking collars to satellite imagery, these tools provide invaluable insights into the behavior and migration patterns of various species. For example, the majestic elephants of the African savanna. By tracking their movements, scientists can identify critical migration routes and feeding grounds, allowing for targeted conservation efforts to protect these vital habitats. But traceability isn't just about conservation. It is also a powerful tool in the fight against poaching and illegal wildlife trade. By monitoring the movement of endangered species, authorities can intercept illegal activities and apprehend those responsible, helping to curb the illegal trade that threatens so many species with extinction. Furthermore, traceability plays a crucial role in ensuring the sustainability of wildlife resources. By tracking the movement of animals, authorities can implement effective management strategies to prevent overexploitation and promote responsible harvesting practices. From the depths of the ocean to the vast savannas and dense rainforests, traceability is revolutionizing the way we understand and protect our planet's precious wildlife. But this journey is far from over. With continued research, innovation, and collaboration, we can ensure a future where humans and wildlife coexist in harmony, preserving the natural wonders of our planet for generations to come. Together, let us strive towards a future where traceability is not just a tool, but a cornerstone of our commitment to safeguarding the wonders of the natural world.